G'day folks, just down here at the Foundry working out how to move my lathe. Thought I'd show you around. These guys have been in business a long time. Ancient compressor has to go. Unfortunately I don't have a lot of room for things like this. Torque class, Crompton Parkinson motor. Looks like a pneumatic press or something, Gibson. Yep. Briggs and Stratton powered blower. Another press for moulding boxes. Ram your sand into the pattern. Tilter furnace. Another furnace over there. Old core shop. This guy did a lot of marine bronze and brass castings. Some big cores. I worked 4 years in a foundry. I've seen enough of this stuff to know I don't want to do it again. The old furnace pit. Sand. Chop saw, old sprues, sand reprocessing. Here's the 2 lathes. This is the big one, which I'm not getting. Tarnow, Poland, and that's the one I'm getting. Nice big old turret lathe. No maker's marks on it. No manufacturer's details whatsoever. Just a threading chart. Nice chuck with the removable jaws. There's another chuck with this 2 or 4 jaw. No tooling for the turret unfortunately. Looks like Warner Swayze stuff though. Should be able to buy it. Turret's locked.